Well, hey there, kittens. How's it going? I decided to jump on here real quick and make you a quick and easy winter-themed cake. I love this cake. It's so pretty, and I wanted to show you how to do some piping gel icicles. I also wanted to apologize for the later videos as of late. I have a new work schedule, so I'm finding it difficult to get videos out on Tuesdays. So please be patient, and I will definitely try to fix that. I will be working on some Christmas cakes very shortly, and I can't wait. But without further ado, let's get started. So I already cut and filled and stacked my cake. I have 3 7-inch round chocolate cakes, just filled them with white American buttercream. And with my cheater bag, I'm just giving this cake a nice coat of icing. Next, I'm just starting at the top and smoothing it out the best I can. A little trick, as you just saw, I like to turn my spatula on the side and scrape off all the excess so I have a nice flat top. And now I'm just working on my sides, just holding the spatula straight up and down, kind of letting the turntable do the work and trying to get those sides as sharp and crisp and flat as possible. And just pulling in that excess buttercream from the top right into the center and just kind of fixing up my edges until I'm happy with it. Next, I mixed up some colors, some awesome turquoise, blue, and purple. I love this color combination. Just taking my knife and just randomly putting it onto the cake wherever I want, really, because we are going to be smoothing this out with a really hot spatula, so it all will combine nicely to give you a watercolor effect. Yes, look at that. Just using a really hot spatula, holding it straight up and down, really nice and stiff, and just blending those colors all together. Look at that. I love it so much. Just wiping away any excess moisture that came from the spatula onto the cake board. And there you have it. You have yourself one awesome looking winter watercolor cake. So I just went to my local bulk store and I got a whole bunch of different sprinkles, different sizes, different colors, and mixed them all together. I love this color combination. Look at that. It's so wintry. Wonderful. Next, just gingerly picking up my cake and just placing those sprinkles on the very base of the cake. Just making sure those bigger sprinkles really stick to that buttercream. And look at that effect. I love it. Oh my God. So next, keeping my spatula handy, I have some plain white chocolate in a bottle. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do a drip effect. And then just filling in that entire top with that white chocolate and using that spatula that you have handy. Just spreading it out to the edge, just making sure that it doesn't spill over. Look at these cute little snowflake sprinkles. I love them. Anyhow, I am placing one individual sprinkle on the end of every drip. Look at that, it's so cute. I then took my large piping bag with a large star tip and I just mixed together all those colors, including white buttercream, and I just made over the top large dollops all around the top edge of the cake. Next, I'm just placing some of those large round silver balls just right on top of those dollops. Doesn't that look so cute and magical and wintry? Like friggin' Eliza from Frozen would want to live in this cake. you know, she would live in there. Anyway, I'm just throwing the rest of my sprinkles right in the center of that cake. Next, we're gonna make some piping gel icicles. So I just put some piping gel into my bottle and just randomly started kind of drawing on these icicles. You don't have to be too perfect with it. I did find that at the top of the icicle, you do want to go a little thicker than the bottom. I was pretty much trimming the cake with this piping gel, so you do get that effect that the entire top of the cake is all icicles. I love this effect so much, and it's super easy. Just be careful you don't squeeze too hard or else this will happen. But I just fixed it up with a little hot spatula and some love. And there it is. Look at that. That is so cute, so wintry. Kind of gets you in the Christmas mood. I love the effect that that piping gel makes. It just makes it look like icicles kind of dripping down the cake. I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button if you like what you saw. And don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video. And I will see all y'all next week. Mwah!